All right, hey YouTubers, I'm back. It's been a little bit. I'm gonna flip this around, doing a little trip here to do some Christmas lights. So let me flip this around, and all you guys have a Merry Christmas and happy 2026. Just give me a second. Everything in that tree. Now this is also walkable too, but certain days they have Christmas lights drive-through, and just happened to be a day that it was drive-through, and it's nice here, about 45 degrees, and yeah, just a nice day here in Minnesota. This is the Miracle of Big Rock in Wisconsin. They have this is a yearly thing that they put on, and people can come and walk around, and some nights they have fireworks. Like I said, some days are drive-through and most of them are walking, but yeah, some days it's really cold or just happens to fall on a certain day. They have the drivable, so I am just here with my dog to see if he likes any of this stuff, if he's interested. What do you think, bud? What do you think of all the lights out here? Let's see, what do you think? Hey, bud. Buddy, come. What do you think? Oh, look at all those lights. Huh? Seems to be looking around. Sometimes I wonder what these You know what the dogs, what they think. Let me get my hand out of there, sorry. There's a that's s'more land. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Usually they'll have s'mores out there. You can walk around and have some, but today they don't. Since it's a drive-through, they don't want that many cars getting all piled up in here. Well, this came through from over there. You enjoying them, bud? Oh, that's cool. That's one of those buildings you can rent. You can rent that building for the night. You'll sit down there with a group of people, have some s'mores, walk around, do whatever. Kind of expensive though. Some of the things can be $400 for just a couple hours, or actually sometimes even more. You do have a house that you can rent here too, but that's yeah, it's a lot of money. Sorry if the camera's moving. I just want you guys to see everything else. The Grinch. Looks like there's a little, let's see, go over here, a little dance floor. What you think, bud? Well, All the lights out here. Oh, look, there's a gnome dome. Oh, you can rent. Oh, yeah. It's up in the hill right there. What you think, bud? You enjoying it? Oh, that's cute. Look at that. Huh? Make a. Let's see what he does. Why not? Some ranger. Let's see what we got here. Let's see here what we got. Yeah. It's kind of cute. Yeti, abdominal snowman, I believe. What they do at this place, they have some food trucks and a big barn and stuff that you can go into if you want to get warm. Obviously, if you're driving through, you don't need to. But when you're walking, yeah, sometimes these nights get pretty cold. So they have a barn that you can go into, get some hot chocolate, stuff like that. Oh, I got, sorry about that. Sand on the roof, waving, the pole barn. Well, there we go. Does anybody leave a comment and see what your favorite part of Christmas is? Is it giving gifts? Is it getting gifts? Oh, hold on one sec. Let's swipe over here for a second. Look at all these little huts. And see, they rent them things out. And you can, like I said, go over there, have a bonfire, have some hot chocolate. Do things like that with your family if you want to. We'll go back over here. Oh, look at the camper. Card. Oh, more music. We're gonna get kicked off. Oh boy. All right, let's see what we got here. Oops. Well, where's a casino? Oh, here we go. 2025. Some huts. Kind of cool, huh? All right, I'll come back at you.